Your customers notice every inch of what you stand for. Your company is a reflection of you. And you like that what you stand for goes deeper than a job well done. We understand that your flooring is valuable to your business. It's the very foundation for creating a safe work environment. And just like everyone on your team, your floor has a job to do. Since 2009, Colorado Concrete Repair has been providing epoxy flooring solutions for strong businesses like yours all over the Front Range. Your company remains operational during our custom flooring installation. And we ensure that your new epoxy floor is safe, inviting, and something that you and your clients will be proud of. Once completed, and you experience a transformed concrete floor, you'll have improved safety and operations, while giving your team renewed pride and your customers a strong first impression. Put Colorado Concrete Repair on your team. You'll love what we stand for. Give us a call today.